man, you upset. Really got rich, they upset. Yeah, really put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this hair color. Basically, it's kind of maroon mama. I feel like that's the name I would call this. But like, it's like a burgundy Rihanna red type vibe. I don't know. I feel like it suits, like, if you want to spice up your regular black like unit or whatever, this would be cool. But this is what I did to make it look like this. It kind of looks like more like purpley. I don't know. I just really like the color. Like, it's so pretty to me. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this color, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to start out with the L'Oreal High Color Highlights, and this one's in red and magenta. And with this color turns it from black to red, or any color that you want basically. So this high color line is really nice. I really like it. And then I use a bowl and a mixer, the little mixer brush, and the 40 volume developer, and some gloves. Those are all the materials you're going to need to dye this hair. And this hair is from Sunber Hair. This is their 10-inch water wave hair. And I tried to dye it before a red color, but it didn't work because I just used a regular dye, so don't do that. use this dye so you can do it one time. And basically I'm just going to pour the red first and then the magenta into the bowl, and I'm going to pour the 40 volume developer inside also, and then mix it all up. And on the box it tells you the right amount of measurements to use, but I just decided to wing it and pour as much developer inside the bowl as I thought. So I just got a consistency that I liked and just stuck with it. So once you pour the developer in, you can just start mixing up as you please. And then I got this consistency that was more like, it wasn't too thick, but it wasn't too like liquidy, as you can see. Next, I combed out the hair because I wanted it to be more easy to apply the dye, and I sectioned out the part that I want to dye the hair. So I started from the back first. I want to dye from the back to the front, and just being careful to not get it on the front or anything. But yeah, so when you comb out the hair, it just makes it more easy to get every strand. So then I started the dye process, and I just started from the back and from the bottom up, and just started painting on the hair. Basically, guys, I don't really know what I'm doing. I just tried like a new method and trying new things. So this is what works for me. I'm no hair expert. So yes, and basically just paint on the hair as like normal. This is really fun to me. Like, it was just such a fun process because just, I don't know, dyeing hair is kind of fun. So yeah, and it just switches up your look too. Instead of having just normal black hair, if you want to switch it up to like maroon, red, burgundy, you can go ahead and do those things. And I mixed the red and maroon in magenta so I can get like this Rihanna red type vibe. I didn't really want it to be too bright, but yeah, I just wanted a little switch up from the black. And I'm just going to comb it through so I can try to get every strand of hair and keep continuing to apply the dye. And then I went in and just, if any pieces that I didn't see that had dye on it, I went back in and then applied dye again, just to make sure everything was covered. You don't want anything to be like not red, so just go in and make sure that you're doing it right the first time.
Fight with cheesecake, you know I love to go there. Say I'm acting light skin, I can't take you nowhere. This a place for families that drive Camrys and go to Disney. They don't need to know all of our business. You wild and you super childish. You go to CVS for Kotex and my Bugatti. I took the key and tried to hide it so you can't drive it and put on mileage.
It was 2:03 once I finished, and I just wrapped it with cling wrap, which is like this plastic wrap. And I let it sit for about an hour and 30 minutes. So I came back at 3:33, and then I went to go wash out the hair with the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. And this is what it looks like when it comes out, the wrap and everything. It just looks plain old red. So once I washed it out, I love this shampoo and conditioner. Like, it's just really nice. It brings back the moisture to all the hair. They say to rinse it out until it turns clear, but I never get it clear. Like, especially with red dye, I never get the water to run clear. So until you feel like it's really, really clean, then I would just stop at that point, because you'll be there all day and night if you try to wash it until it's clear. But yeah, here's me applying the deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is so nice. You only have to leave it in for 3 minutes, and it restores the hair. So it was really nice. I really like Sunber hair too. It was really easy to work with. It was really soft, and the curls were really nice. So yeah, and I ended up getting dye on the hair, the lace. So I just went in with foundation powder to clean it up. So it's okay if you do that. Just go in with your foundation powder to seal it in, and you'll be alright. And this is what it looks like after everything. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to check out the links down below. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. This is pretty much it. Make sure you follow me on my social media links. They'll be down below. The links to this hair will also be down below. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Just like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.